and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. And again, welcome back to an Air Fryer Friday. Really super simple this one. We're going to do some chicken wings. Like I say, the ingredients are very minimal and it's very easy. So chicken wings prepared how you want. I mean, you can kind of just cut them down. I mean, I've got 2 parts there if you want. Cut them how you like. I've got lemon juice, garlic, tons of garlic, black pepper. I mean, it's a nice kind of coarse crushed one. And here I've got some celery salt. That's about it. We're not using any oil in this. We're going to kind of keep them oil free. Really simply, black pepper, that celery salt, which I think is really good. I mean, you could just use regular salt if you want, but I love the flavour of that. Ton of garlic, in it goes. Loads of lovely lemon juice or lime juice if you wanted. Very simply, we're going to give that a little mix. And then if you can, leave it overnight in your refrigerator. Be absolutely wonderful. But you can just go straight in really. Now, think about adding maybe a little bit of dried thyme or basil, oregano, rosemary, or maybe a bit of cayenne pepper, chili, some smoked paprika. You can just go wherever you like really. So oil free, really simple. Let's just throw these into the air fryer. So depending on the type of air fryer that you have, I've got a Black & Decker model, but we do have this, the inner actual fryer thing. Some of them got different layered, metal things in there you can use. Really simply, let's just grab these lovely wings. Now, if you wanted a bit of oil on there, you could do it, no problem. Bit of olive oil maybe or something on there. Let's get loads of that garlic. Look, chunky cut garlic all over the place. And we'll put a bit of that lemon juice in. So simple. That's going to go into my fryer at about 180, and I'm going to start off by doing it for 8 minutes, then we'll take a look. Okay, that was 8 minutes. Let's take a look at them. Look pretty good to me, but not quite there. So what I'm going to do is give them a shake. Shake them around a little bit. Pop them back in. I'm going to go for another 5 minutes. Okay. Beautiful. Let me just get those out onto the plate. Super crispy. Super juicy. Incredible. No oil in them at all. Really easy, these ones. And that's it, last one. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?